people send me video. Well, me everyone look on it, you know, but them saying, what is? Where the same man them who you hear say them a dog. Them man they not hide them face. And them man they a dog. Them man they a man with them monks dance hall. The dance hall man them bleach up face and this and that. And you know hear nobody. I say nothing about that. But you know your man I say, but Rasta this and Rasta that.
Put TV at the right place and it's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. I don't know, I'm the man of peace. Zane, we say equality, diversity, equity, love, unity, strength. Zane, live and let others live. You know what I mean? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, click the bell. Please consider doing so, you know what I mean? Yes, the door is open if you want to do it. You see what I say? Yeah, man, give thanks for the support. Because I don't know without the fans, you know. The platform, the channel is not relevant, you know what I mean? Yes, I look forward to interacting with you guys, ladies and gentlemen, you know what I mean? From all over the world. Feel free to comment and you don't know. I will respond. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so in another vlog here, we're going to talk about Koffee, Mutabaruka. And the thing was around right now, you know what I mean? Big up Mutabaruka, an elder we used to Deron, you know what I mean, in 2013. You see me? Yeah, we used to play one place, my half conscience been good. You see me? Yeah, man. So Mutabaruka did was on him show, Cutting Edge, and he talk about Koffee and thing. And he say some things and I fully agree with him. You know what I mean? Everybody down on Koffee case. Like, you know what I mean? Koffee never said she was a Rasta. So you don't know we're gonna go to it and we're gonna flashback on some Mutabaruka say and give my little 2 pence. See? But I don't know. I big up everybody. Because to me I say I love me say you know. Yeah, man.
No, may I ask you now, where you hear about chronics on the YouTube? Where you hear about chronics?
Some like him and Koffee them must do stuff with someone else straight and thing, you know? You can't do that.
Brethren, I can tell you something. Brethren.
Yeah,
you see, if you follow that something there when name internet, social media,
yes, my father.
You carry yourself down in a one pit.
Sure.
Yeah? And you see, when people start to talk against people on it, people want to be liked and get enough likes and get enough hits and all them something there. So when them talk things, because you don't have no way for know if them are talk the truth or not, you just run it and repeat it like how you come and repeat something.
100% agree with Mutabaruka. If you can't handle the social media lifestyle, stay away from it because it will mad you, it will make you depressed, it will break you down. You see me, enough people say got affected, you know what I mean, by social media because them can't take the bashing and all of them things there. You see me, and the brother you were calling, you can't tell us him don't know nothing, just go with him see out there and then accuse and point fingers, you know. Even myself as the vlogger, sometimes we see things and we run, we can't talk about myself, we run with it and we post it and we fully do the 100 research. See me, so we can hold up my hands on that, but me agree with Mutabaruka that's all. You see me I say, yeah man, and if you can't angle the social media, enough people do it and tear down people for likes and views and them things there, you see, but each to them one and everybody different. So
alright, in a Jamaica when them say a man not straight, it means say him gay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got them so when a man says
I am moving on some people not straight, you know?
Yeah, then if you move on people not straight, you not straight?
You not straight.
Why?
Yeah, there's something probably you know?
No, wait no man, just because you know a gay guy you gay too.
No, but yeah, move around in the father.
Wait there.
Once again, the brother, him not talk straight, him if I'm but him go run. You know what I mean? Mutabaruka talk to him straight and him not talk straight. Like, him don't know how to talk. You see what I say? Being around, having people, me work with gay people, I associate with them, talk with them, work with them, work colleagues and everything, you know, footballing, you know what I mean, refereeing, and me never have a problem with them, me never have a problem with gay people, you know what I mean, as long as, you know, the thing neutral and respect show, and, you know, some gay people me know are very respectful and manners-able, you see me? That doesn't mean I am gay, you know what I mean? But I just the mindset of people and how people think, you know what I mean? I say, things sometimes change at 2023, you know. And then like one time when we were young, I say I born certain things. Me live in England and I've learned a lot and, you know what I mean? Know how to associate with people, you see it? Yeah man, live and let others live, as some see it. Yeah.
You know, so we had the whole on there. You know, say, the first time I want to people about coffee, you say a cockatoo bring our pants, Rebel Salute, you didn't know that?
Yes, me hear that already. First time.
No, well, me not hear that. Me know that. The first time people are going to hear about coffee, a cockatoo bring her up on the stage.
Okay.
All right.
Some viewers and subscribers, cockatoo bring up coffee on stage. You Mutabaruka say, cockatoo are the first man. Say, you want to tell me, say, cockatoo like him know her for years or whatever links or contact make him know her. Him not know say Koffee gay. If Koffee is gay, cause I know Koffee no come to announce that she's gay or not or bisexual or what, you know. People are just assuming. It's like Lila Ike come out and talk, say yeah, she prefer women. Koffee hasn't up to this date, but people are accuse her. Maybe she is. Me don't know. You see me? But yeah, Mutaba, you want me I say. Cockatoo must know, Chronics them must know. Cause around the camp, you see me, and you can know if a woman gay or a man gay. You see me and say, by the flexing and operation and see and thing. And it's get to me and say my viewers and subscribers. Them know for a long time, but well, again, if she is, you see me? Yeah, I mean, I point no finger, and that's the reality of life.
Me no know Koffee. Me see her on the ship one time, and me say I heal and all them something. But you see me now, I don't care.
My father look bad for Jamaican.
Look bad for with look bad for Rasta way. Who tell us wait? Then if Rasta article you so Koffee tell us she Rasta?
No, but maybe I move on the Rasta camp.
No, but me ask if Koffee tell us she Rasta.
No, she never said that. But she okay. Rasta them. Maybe she move go to J Chronics and the word camp.
Yeah. So what happened? So where you got about that?
No, I'm reading that cool. That's to my father. But I like when I hear that.
Yeah, but you hear too much. You hear too much. Shut your ears. You hear too much.
Alright, father. But think of yourself to the father.
You hear too much because.
See you me Mutabaruka. You motor say him see Koffee on the ship. And he mail her. You see me, him not show her, him not blank her. You see me, and him not care. Him not business in nobody lifestyle. You see me? And that is the problem with us Jamaicans. We don't have to dictate people's life and tell people nobody is perfect and Koffee never. Maybe if she is, maybe such a band people who are turn out to be gay. Some of them born that way with that genes in them. You see me? And you know, but I love a Muta tell the brother say, yeah, you hear too much, you see me? You find out for yourself and stop on the Rasta thing, Rasta that. Enough Rasta now live clean. Enough Rasta now live clean. Me that's through the 2013 and some things when me hear about some big Rasta when me look up to or others idolize. You see me? When me hear something with them going with abroad, Pantour. Rasta man, I couldn't believe. And I was in the conversation, but me just there studio yard. I listen as a young artist. I did there hear man a chat and thing. You know studio vibes go already. But enough Rasta now live clean. You see me? Yeah man, so the man them low Koffee man. Low Koffee man she live her life. You see me? And then she alone. I get to me and say Koffee never tell nobody say she a Rasta neither. Me never hear Koffee, and none of you never hear Koffee come out and a bonfire and a preach with injustice and like bond slavery and you know what I mean? Dirty lifestyle and them things like the Sizzle and the Cape Town and the Bojo and etc. You know your Koffee do nothing like that. You see me? Koffee now do none of that. Koffee just do her music. She never say she a Rasta. You see me? She just have her relax. Me personally think them flow the girl.
You see this argument because I know what you talk about, you know. Me just try to make you say what you talk about. But I know what you talk about. Now, that little daughter there, I don't know her sexual. The only daughter I hear come out and say she prefer woman is Lila Ike.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't hear no other one come out and say nothing more than Lila Ike. Diana King come out. Long time Diana King come and make it public, say she prefer woman, right?
Yes,
so that means, you know, anytime I want to talk, them can say, me here, Diana King said that, right?
So basically, when Mutabaruka say, no, nobody know your Koffee come out and say that, and you see me, and have the solid proof that she's gay or bisexual or what. But Lila IK has done so, and credit to Lila IK. I said that when she first came out, say, well done to her, at least her conscience clear now. Maybe to haunt her for years, for a long time, you know. Likewise, Koffee. Maybe Koffee wants to come out too, if she is that, you know what I mean, and don't know because of the pressure where the people have put down on her, you know. But one day, if she is, she going to find the strength to come out and say, yes, I am. You know, and the world change, as me say, no crime, no in it. You know, much footballer, basketballer, cricketer, rugby player come out, afraid to come out, and they eventually came out and say them now hide themselves no more because it kill them inside, and them come out and say they are gay, and people accept it. It's a new world. As me say, nobody is perfect. You see me? And enough of us who are born this and born that. We have family members who are, you know what I mean? You see me? But yeah. Basically, you know, just say Koffee. Them stop pressure Koffee, man. Make the be do her thing, you know what I mean? And just know say life. Koffee never say she a Rasta, and Koffee never preach no Rastafari business, you see me? Yeah, man.
No, me never hear Koffee say she gay yet.
Probably she never say that the young like the bird.
Oh, you mean then old Diana King said? We not then only like you said.
Yeah, me understand where you are.
No, then if you understand me, that's where you go around it for. We then. Eh?
Don't be behind the curtain and talk to him, you know?
No, nobody know they behind the curtain and talk. It's people who look big up and talk and have conversation about things where it have no significance right now. And I bet you tomorrow morning at this when I talk about now go big part of YouTube. Watch and see what happen.
So said, so done. Then the motor say better say this is going to be headline topic tomorrow on the internet, and it is gone viral. Everybody have like it. I must say I have to touch it and give my views, you know. You know, Koffee never come out and say she is. But people say assume maybe she is. Me not take up for her, but you know. But basically when motor say, you know, you see better things that they talk about, and people just in a people's life. And I tell people what them for do and what them for that and this and that. Nobody no own, nobody no obligation, you know. Nobody live them life the way they want. And as me say, me now I tell a man or a woman how to live their life. Nobody can tell me how to live my life or how to do my vlog or nothing. You see me? You know. If you want to subscribe and click the bell if you want to. If you don't, that's how you go. You see me? We not look no cloud, we not burn no fire, we not dictate nobody's life. You see me? You know, and as I say, 2023, you know, and things and time changes. You know, push the agenda, push the LGBTQ, you know what I mean? And if you don't want to work with it, stay a distance. And somehow you have to mingle with them, do business with them or whatever. That doesn't mean, say, because you do business with them or work with them, you're gay. No.
You see that internet something there? People send me. Listen to what I say now. Yes, people send me video. But me everyone look on it, you know, but them saying them say what is where the same man them who you hear say them a dog.
Yes.
And the same man them who you say where they on them road them bleach out no rotted. Yes. The things them where you see them a do. And people know them, you know, because them now hide them face.
Yeah, true.
Cause you see them thing there, me no repost them something there, you know.
Yeah.
When me see them thing there, me just look on it and just delete that, you know. Because them man they not hide them face. And them man they are dog. Them man they are man with them monks dance hall. The dance hall man them bleach up face and this and that. And you know hear nobody. I say nothing about that. But you know your man I say, but Rasta this and Rasta that, Rasta not for mix up with this.
Why Muta sound like him have some fire around there. Yeah, Muta say him get people sending video of people who are burn fire and not talk about them a dog and Tackman and this and that and people see them apart with people with guns out, bleach out, all type of things. That Muta say, you know. But you don't know, as me say, you can't tell nobody to live their life and Rasta not for this and Rasta not for that. Capleton them now burn them fire like one time again. Sizzler, you know, likewise Butcher them and them thing there. You see me? Yeah, so, you know, as me say, them all run Koffee long time, so they must know if Koffee was gay or lesbian or what. Them know long, Chronix them protege, and all of them know a long time. If she is, you see me, until Koffee come out and say she is, me not gonna assume her say she is, because me don't know nothing about her, you see me? Big up on yourself, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click the bell. And let me know if you agree or disagree with me. You don't know Lion Foot is open to criticism, see? Yeah man, leave Koffee alone, leave her alone, leave the girl alone, see? I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.